Okay, goodies, I am here with another recipe that you have requested. How to make a fast and easy Jamaican pumpkin juice in your kitchen. Healthy stuff, right? A good girl, by the way, say. Now, if you are new to my channel and you're watching me juicing up this pumpkin punch in your kitchen, fast, easy, and simple, well, go ahead and subscribe. What you waiting for? Make sure to turn on the post notification settings so you'll always be aware of whenever I upload a brand new video. I'm gonna turn up this pumpkin punch in my kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Well, come on and let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Now, goodie, make we just jump right into this recipe because you've been asking for this recipe for so long and I'm always here to deliver. Alright, now I have my pumpkin right there. So, my pumpkin nice and good up. That is about 3 pounds of pumpkin. Yes, goodie. I saw the thing set right there. So, now to make this pumpkin punch, you can use malta, right? Malta right there. So, now if you don't want to go malta, you can go dragon stout, you can go guiness stout. Now, in addition to that, you're gonna need some vanilla. You also are gonna need cinnamon powder and nutmeg for the recipe. Now, the sweetener of my choice is sweetened condensed milk. That is totally optional. If you don't want it sweet, do not use that. You can also use supligen as well, nutriment. Any kind of punch kind of thing that we like, you go ahead and use it. But I'm not using that into this recipe. I'm going to be using almond milk right there. So, almond milk is delicious when you're making this kind of a punch. That's what I'm going to use right there. Now, like I said before, sweeten it up however you want. You could add sugar. Don't add honey. Honey not taste good with something, yeah. But yeah, almond milk is what we're going to do, and I'm going to flavor it up with a little bit of sweetened condensed milk right there. Alright? So yeah, come on, let's get started. Okay, goodie, I got my pot on that fire and make sure say water bubble before you put the pumpkin in. You peel that pumpkin real good, you wash it real good, and you put that pumpkin in that hot boiling water. You allow that pumpkin to cook nice and tender. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes, right? Hopefully, yeah. But when it comes nice and tender, not mash up tender, you know, nice and tender. We're going to take that out and we're going to move on to our next step. So, okay y'all, it's been 20 minutes and the pumpkin is cooked, right? Perfectly, the way I want it. Now I'm going to shut the fire off and I'm going to allow this to cool for at least 10 minutes before we do anything, right? So, see you back in a 10. Okay, goodie, now that my pumpkin is nice and cool, all I'm going to do is go ahead and put that into the blender. Now, the liquid that is remaining from boiling the pumpkin, you're going to need that. Do not throw that out. That is so important for this pumpkin punch, right? You need it. So after you go and you put your pumpkin into your blender, this is what you have left over after you boil the pumpkin, right? So I have about 2 cups in here. Now we're going to go ahead and pour that 2 cups into the blender. I'm going to add my malta to that as well. And I'm going to add my almond milk to the mix. After I'm done add my almond milk to the mix, then I'm going to add some nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, some vanilla. I'm going to pop my lid on, I'm going to blend this up and get this nice and smooth. Now goodie, that is your pumpkin punch right there. Now, if you are vegan, you're going to have to use your cane sugar to sweeten it up. Give it some kind of a flavor. If not, you just drink it as is. Now, in my kitchen, the people that's coming over to drink this thing, they're not vegan, so I'm going to be sweetening it with my sweetened condensed milk. So we'll add add that sweetened condensed milk in, and yeah, to my liking. Blend it up again, and yeah, we're done. Best Jamaican pumpkin juice in your kitchen in minutes. How to make Jamaican pumpkin punch in your kitchen? No get no better than this. There you go, goodies. I'm all done. Your pumpkin punch, where you requested, on your table in no time. Have you subscribed yet? Make sure you subscribe, you know. Don't miss no up. Thumbs up, like and share. Let me know where you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.